Hello, this video is going to help walk you through checking in your students' Chromebooks. So the first thing you're going to need to do this is the asset tag. And you can find that if you open the Chromebook up, it's right below the screen. It should have a sticker that says Rochester Public Schools, a barcode, and then under that will be the asset tag number. So in this case, it's 610937. Once you've typed in the asset tag number, you're going to hit search and you can see who this asset tag is checked out to. So this is me. It's got my email. It's got my number. You should see the student's information come up here. I would urge you to make sure that the asset tag matches the student's name that turned it in. So what I'm saying is if you look on the bottom and it's checked out to a certain person, make sure that's the name that comes up. It could be the case that it got entered incorrectly. Also, though, it could be someone took a Chromebook from someone else and checked it in. So make note of that. And we also want to make sure we have the student's name on the bottom of the Chromebook so that they can get the same one next year. Once you've found this, you're going to go over here to Actions, and you're going to click Check-in Asset. Here, your date is defaulting to today's date, and that's fine. But if there's anything that you see is like drastically wrong with the Chromebook, maybe there's writing on it, maybe there's a key missing. If there's anything that's broken or needs repair, make that in the notes. We can go back and put a help desk ticket in if we want to. So maybe if it's locked, if you open it up and that Chromebook is still locked, make note of that too. Then once you've done anything that you need to note, you can go ahead and hit check in. And that's it. A couple little notes to self. One thing is that some of the Chromebooks may not have got entered into the SnipeIT system. So you may type in the asset tag and find that it's not checked out yet. Great. As long as the student's name is in there, that's okay. You don't have to check it back in. We can do that next fall. Another thing that may happen is that some students enrolled at Willow Creek but weren't entered into the SnipeIT system. So therefore, I checked it out to Willow Creek staff, and in the notes, it might come up that the person's name and student number will be there. So sometimes you might see that it's checked out to Willow Creek staff, but there should be a note as to why that is. And that's mostly because they weren't in the system. So I just put their name with it and checked it out to Willow Creek staff. So if you have any of those, go ahead and check it in. This just makes sure that we got the asset tag that we need back in from that person. After that, you can put them in the bag, put the student's name on it, get their charger, note if they've turned in a charger or not, or if they need to purchase one. And that's it. They'll store them until next fall. Thanks for your time.